take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For starters, proper thaw time is helpful. The website indicates you can thaw turkey in a refrigerator set to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below for about 24 hours for each 4 to 5 pounds. So if your bird is 20 pounds or more, you should start thawing in the fridge November 22nd.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Store them tightly wrapped, in your 34 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit refrigerator. Leftovers should be used up in 3 days. If you're not sure that you'll finish your leftovers before then, it's a good idea to freeze them for later. Leftover cooked turkey can be stored in the freezer for 2 to 6 months.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Wash hands and surfaces, not the turkey. According to the USDA Food Safety and Inspection Service, washing raw poultry, beef, pork, lamb, or veal before cooking it is not recommended. Bacteria in raw meat and poultry juices can be spread to other foods, utensils, and surfaces.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.